Hi all, welcome to another art video. Today I am going to paint some flowers that I saw in this perfect garden book. And here it is. It's really beautiful. It has this very beautiful rich different shades of purples. So the moment I saw it, I wanted to paint it using oil pastels. And before I go on to oil pastels, I'll be adding a layer of these poster colors just to cover the background. I have two of them. This is Rowney poster colors, and it's a very good brand, and these colors are as good as watercolors, and I got two of them because I got them on 50% discount. You can see how vibrant these colors are. I really like them, so I'll be adding just a smidge of white acrylic paint into the mix. For those of you who do not know what poster colors are, they are a water-based medium that is quite like watercolors, but poster colors are not archivable. Because of that reason, they are not meant to be on display in an art studio or something, and paintings done using poster colors are meant for temporary projects. Usually those paintings or sketches are digitalized and then used as a digital medium. Because of the reason, they are not as expensive as some of the other archival mediums. Alright, so these are the purple colors that I'll be using. This brand is Sennelier. I have the Sennelier 120 color set, and I have picked off some of the purple shades that I get in the 120 color set, and you will see how beautiful these colors are. They are super rich, very vibrant, highly pigmented. I cannot rave enough about Sennelier oil pastels, and these colors are very beautiful. You'll see how they apply on the paper later. Beautiful range of purples in the Sennelier 120 color set. So this really dark color is not black, it's a really dark green color, and it's not Sennelier, by the way. It's a Mangayo artist quality soft oil pastels. I'm just using that in conjunction with the Sennelier. So I'm starting by adding a little flowers using different colors. I'm not mixing any colors here. I'm just using whatever the color that the pastel has. Good thing is that the 120 color set of Sennelier has quite a good range of colors. So it's kind of easy to match directly or at least go closer to the colors that you have in the original photograph. But ideally, if you want to color match accurately, you might have to mix and match colors. The way to mix colors using oil pastels is called blending and even layering. You can blend colors very easily using a softer oil pastel brand like Sennelier. So as you can see, I smudged some of the details that I added previously. But I feel like I overdid it in some areas, but that is okay because I'm gonna build up on top of it, and this is gonna be the final layer. So the idea is that you add the details and then you smudge it just enough so that some of the details remain, and then you're gonna add on top of that so that the bottom layer looks like flowers. It looks flowery but not very visible, not very detailed. So that was kind of the technique that I was going for. So then in the final layer you have to add more visible details, more finer details to make them look like flowers. So at this point, I guess I'm done, and I'm gonna remove the masking tape, which is the most fun part of painting. And this is how it all looks. And let me take out the book and turn to the page where the original photograph is. And this is the painting that I did. So I really like how it turned out, and this painting is A5 size, which is a large postcard size. So you can always do something like this and send it out to somebody as a postcard. But before you do, because this is an oil pastel painting, you might want to put a layer of fixatives on your painting before if you ever gonna use this as a postcard, because oil pastels never fully dry, they just harden with time, but they can always be scratched and damaged, unlike an acrylic painting. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed doing this little painting. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because from next week onwards I'll be bringing you more art videos. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.